an actual CAT problem. Taken from the concept of sports and games. As you can see what is given, that this triangle denotes, first of all, it's about 5 batsmen. K for Kraif, R for Rahul, S for Saurabh, V for Viru, and Y for Yuvraj. Every match circle is giving runs for top 3 scorer. And the middle triangle is giving what percentage of the run is scored by top 3 scorers. Also, we need to calculate 2 index, R index, which is the highest score of a batsman versus his lowest score, and middle index, the middle number. Arrange in non-increasing order. When this problem came in CAT, this term non-increasing created lots of argument and confusion. But only meaning we need to derive from here is decreasing. Otherwise, you won't be able to solve the problems related to M index. Rest problems are fine. So first we need to make a table. So as you can see, I have written name of the country and name of the batsmen here, name of the countries here, total score by that batsman, R index, M index. Here top 3 total, team total, rest 2. Runs scored by rest 2. Okay. So let us fill up whatever data right now we have. Like in against Pakistan, Y scored 40. B scored 130. And K scored 28. Top 3 total is coming as 198, which is 90%. If 90% is 198, rest 10% is 22, which is here, and total is 220. Okay. So this 22 is all the rest of the members score. Acha, very important information. No 2 players score the same number of runs in same game. What next? South Africa. K51, S75, R49. Their total 175, which is 70%. 70%, 175. That means 10% is 25. So rest 30% must be 75. So rest scored 75. Total is 250. Total is 250. Last, Australia. R55. Y87. S50. 192. 192. Which is 80%. So if 80% is 192, cancelling both sides with 4, 40% will be 48. So rest is 48. Total is 240. Okay. Now some further analysis. Like this score or this one, both 48 below. 48 minus. 48 minus. These 2 scores, both 22 below. -22 minus. These two are the confusions. It seems like 75 below, but actually they are also 48 below. Why? Because these are top 3 scores. So the highest will be below 49. Here already highest below 50, even taking 48. Or here highest is below 28. So that is how it is. Runs are given. So how I can place these totals? Minimum value of this total is 79. So this total is minimum 79 and maximum where 48 added to it. That is up to 127. What about this total? Minimum 104 up to 126. This total minimum 125 up to 147. Minimum 130 up to both 48, 48, 96 means it can go up to 226. Minimum 127, maximum 87 and 40, 127, 48 at max you can score here, 175. These are the ranges. This total not required, doesn't make any sense. Now what about R index and M index? For this particular player, we cannot find out the M index. It can be 28 when this score is below 28. And if this score is above 20, then this score it will be. But even if it is above 28, it cannot cross 50. So actually, if we want, we can write the possible scores here. See, this score has to be below 50 because these are the top 3 score. But again, writing all those values will be very difficult. Same logic, calculating the range is also difficult here. If this score is 0, range can be, R index can be 51. And if this score is more than 48, then this R index can be 23 also. Depending on whether is this, and in between values are also possible. In between values are also possible. So anyhow, without wasting some more time, let us move to the problem. How many of the players among those listed definitely scored less than Yuvraj in the tournament? Yuvraj's minimum score is 127. If you look at here, minimum score is 127. And Rahul's maximum is 126. Kaif will be borderline, can be, because if I take highest for Kaif and lowest for Yuvraj, then they are equal. S and V can go beyond Yuvraj. So definitely less than Yuvraj is one player. Definitely less than Yuvraj. Next one. Which player had the best M index in the tournament? Best in M index. Middle score best. Well, if you see, Saurav's middle score is 50. Confirmed. Rahul's middle score is 49. Confirmed. And even if Kaif, this score is more than 28, it cannot beat 49 or 50. Kaif's middle index cannot go below, above 49 or 50. Same goes for V, because both these scores are below 48. And even in Y also, highest can go up to 48. It can go up to 48. And if it is below 40, then 40 it will be. So highest middle index is for Saurav. With the given amount of data, we can find it out. Next. How many of the Indian players is it possible to calculate exact M index? R and S for 2 players only. Rest, this can go beyond 28, then 28 will be middle. Here it can go, anything can be middle. Here again, if it is at 47, this is middle. If it is go below 40, then this one is middle. So for 2 players. Option C. Next problem. Among the players mentioned, who can have the lowest R index from the tournament? Lowest R index. So what I'll do here, this score is 28, this score is 51. If this score is more than 28, then this will be R index. And if this score goes below 28, then R index will increase. So minimum possible R index here is 23. What is the minimum possible R index here? Let's fix it 22. So it will be 33. What will be the minimum R index here? 75. It will be too high. It will be too high. Minimum R index is also 51 here for S. Here, even if you're taking 48, it will be quite high. 82 it will be. Minimum R index. You can increase by decreasing one of the score. Here minimum R index is 47. You can decrease. Chalo, you take it 48 and this is 87. So it will be 39. So only KF can have lowest R index. Can we decrease the R index further? The highest R index of KF is 51. So either way S and V is out. So if I increase KF's R index, then Yuvraj can be lowest or Rahul can be lowest. So option A. Anyone can have lowest R index.